I thank God for giving me one more opportunity to meet you all, my lovely angels. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and happy. And all those who have come for the first time to our channel, I welcome you all. As you can see, all these crafts are made out of paper tubes. I will be sharing the links in the I button as well as in the description box. You all can go and watch it. And today we will be making our sixth craft out of paper tubes. So let's get started. Let's take a yellow craft sheet and fold and cut according to the required size. And then we have to make paper tubes like this. Now let's cut the yellow and red paper tubes into 1 inch. Let's take A4 size black chart paper, fold and cut into 4 like this. Then let's draw lines like this and then cut the extra. Now let's stick the paper tubes one by one like this. Let's cut the extra. Now let's stick the red and yellow paper tubes like this. Let's continue the same pattern. Now let's stick the sticker stones like this. Follow the same pattern. We need 4 frames like this, and now let's stick it one on the other like this. Now let's apply glue and stick it like this. Now let's make the base of the vase. Let's apply white glue and stick the paper tubes one by one like this. Now let's mark the outer side of the vase and cut like this. Apply white glue and stick it like this. So finally our super easy craft is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Let's try to make this beautiful craft and decor our homes. Or we can make one and gift it to our loved ones. We can use this beautiful craft as a pen holder. as a beautiful flower vase, or as an amazing wall decor for a home. I will be using this beautiful craft as a wall decor for my home. Let me know in the comment box below which idea you liked the most. Pen holder, flower vase, or the wall decor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. I pray and wish that you all stay healthy and happy. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care.